Hello everyone. Good morning. This morning, guys, I come to continue where we stop. This X5 BMW engine overhauling. So guys, let me show you the level we are now and the next step to take. So guys, as you can see, I have put the engine block together with the gearbox. So I have fixed it with the girder, as you can see. Now you can see. Now the next thing. This is my top cylinder, of which I told you guys that is going to Makrata. So finally, Makrata has finished the job. You can see how everything looks like. For you to be successful. So guys, for you to be successful for engine overhauling, you must go through this. You see this is most fair. So as I was saying, for you to be successful for your job, you have to go through this. Makrata must make sure that all these ones is in good position, and put mezzania okay, so that it will not have any misfire after finish to start the engine, and also you're not going to have any leakage. So as you can see, everything is ready now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to clean all the parts. As you can see, I'm going to clean everything. When I clean them, the next thing I'm going to do, when I clean it with petrol, I have to put it for this oil. Okay, after putting it in the oil, then I will now start installing it. And there's another thing I have here. I'm going to show you this one. This is also tappet valve. They call it tappet valve. So also this one, you have to also make all of them to be in a good position. For example, I'll show you one piece. You can see this one must be pressing like this. You understand? There's a spring inside this. Whenever you do a ground valve, you have to make that spring be spraying by putting something inside. So I'm going to show you. For example, guys, as you can see, what I have here, you see, if you can press it like this, you can see the thing is pressing like this. You have something like spring inside. So you must make all of them like this together, so that it will be, so that when you now install it inside this one, the mezzania is very perfect. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I have to put all of them inside oil, so that I have to soak it oil, because you have to get enough of oil. You understand? As you can see, after putting it in the oil like this, after putting it in the oil, then the next thing is to wash all of them with petrol and also put it inside the oil. Then I can now start installing it for the top cylinder. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you everything. Thank you. So now we are going to install this. All these things you see here, we are going to put it back to their position. Okay, so stay tuned. And first of all, we have to put oil inside here in order for whenever you put all this cam, so that it will balance very well. Okay, so the next thing is we're going to install this particular one first. So this is the first one. I have to put small cam. As you can see how it's free. Forget guys, you see all this one, all of them, they have different number. So whenever you are going to install this particular one here, there's numbers. So let me go through the number. As you can see, so this is number 2. This is number 3. And this is number 4. And this is number 5. So as you can see, then you have to put oil again. The reason why you are putting oil is so that everything will be free. Guys, it's time for me to install all this interpret valve. As you can see, you can remember last time I told you guys that all these ones, this and this is not the same. And look at this side, and this side, and this side is not the same. So when it comes to the tappet valve, this side and this side not the same. If you take this side, go this side, it won't work. Then if you take this one, come this side, it won't work. So you have to, only thing you have to do, you have to separate two of them before you now start installing it inside. So stay tuned and watch. I'm going to install it. First of all, I have to put oil again. Then the next thing, I'm going to check this side. You can see this place now is little big, and to show that it's this side, okay, on which this is exhaust. This side is exhaust side, and this one is injector side. So you can see. So then I'm going to install all of them. So guys, as you can see, I have installed that one. So the next thing to do is to put this particular one together by using this one. You see, we have to turn the thread. So guys, the next one is to install this particular one. So guys, I have installed this particular one. So the next one, install this one. So finally, I have installed all of them. So the time now is to fix this one, but I'm going to make another video to show you guys how I'm going to fix everything. So share the video and like, comment.